Want to share your precious memories and funny moments with friends and family on Messenger? This video will guide you through the simple steps of sending photos, ensuring you can easily connect and share your experiences with loved ones near and far with Messenger. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Let's see how we can send photos on Messenger. Launch the Messenger app on your phone. If you have not installed the Messenger app, you can check the description of the video. I have explained in a video how you can install and open the Messenger app. Tap on the chat icon from the bottom of the page. You will see a list of conversations. Choose the conversation where you want to send the photo. You can start a new chat by tapping the icon from the top right or opening an existing one. Tap the camera icon to take a photo directly, or tap the gallery icon to choose a photo from your phone's gallery. Let's tap now on the camera icon and see how we can send a picture that we take now. Tap Allow for Messenger to access the camera. Tap Allow for Messenger to access the microphone. Tap the center button from the bottom. You can hold the button to take a video if you want. Tap Send. You can save the picture to the camera roll if you want to keep the picture. Now you have sent a picture that you have taken. But what if you want to send pictures from your gallery? Tap the gallery icon. Messenger would like to access your gallery. You can allow full access or access to only some pictures, how you want. You need to allow this access for you to send pictures that are already in your library. It is possible for you to request access to your photos. Please allow the access you want, but you need to allow access for you to send pictures. You see a list of your photos. Browse your gallery and tap on the photo you want to send. You can select multiple pictures. After you select the pictures, just tap on Send. Now you know how to send photos on Messenger. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.